Welcome to Foodie Truth. In today's video, we'll explore the numerous benefits of eating chicken. So start video. First, chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein, which is crucial for muscle building and repair. By eating chicken regularly, you provide your body with the necessary building blocks to strengthen your muscles and improve overall physical performance. Second, chicken is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, mostly vitamins B. These vitamins are vital for energy production and brain function. By including chicken in your diet, you can enhance your brain power, improve your memory, and increase your focus and concentration. Third, compared to red meats, chicken is lower in saturated fats. This makes it a healthier option. For maintaining heart health, eating chicken can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lower the risk of heart disease. Fourth, chicken can aid in weight management. Its high protein content helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. By incorporating chicken into your meals, you can control your appetite and support your weight loss or maintenance goals. Fifth, chicken contains important nutrients like zinc and iron. Zinc supports a strong immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Iron is essential for producing healthy red blood cells, ensuring that your body gets the oxygen it needs to function properly. Chicken is incredibly versatile and can be prepared in various healthy ways, whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or boiled. Among these, grilled chicken is particularly beneficial as it retains more nutrients and is lower in unhealthy fats compared to fried options. That is all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments, and I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and food-related content. See you in the next video on Foodie Truth.